So, yung random people mo, may lista ka ba ng mga posibleng maging respondent mo? Pag wala, hindi yan pwedeng maging random sample. Ang pangalawa na requisite para maging random sample siya ay may ginawa kang o may ginamit kang randomization tools. Ano ba yung mga randomization tools? Are number generators. You could use random tables, drawing lots, or you can also use your calculator to draw random numbers. And again, we have two requisites for employing a random sample. You need to have a sampling frame and also a random number generators. Pag hindi mo to ginamit, hindi mo siya matatawag na random sample. So, yung sinabi mo na gumawa ka ng random sample dahil yung mga chosen respondents mo ay yung mga nakikita mo lang kung kahit saan-saan, those are random people. At hindi